Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, you know what? We could go back and forth a lot about to renovate or not to renovate. And there's a lot of sense on both sides, I'll just say. But with the renovation, of course, there comes, a little bit of stress, some stress, which is sometimes good and exciting. There comes cost, there comes a little bit of uncertainty, and there comes time. And sometimes you just want to move right into a beautifully renovated apartment, very short walk to the sea, and it looks like it's a pretty short walk to the train station as well. This beautiful apartment is 110 square meters. It's got all new windows, all new doors, central heating. It's gorgeous. Take a look, you guys. I think you're going to love this one.